Hello everyone, recording on my phone here. Here we have the Star Wars Cookbook, Wookiee pies, clone scones, and other galactic goodies. Awesome titles. So it's by Robin Davis, Lara Starr, and photography by Matthew Carden. I'll show you how awesome that photography is later. They used action figures and food to recreate scenes from all the movies, so pretty cool. Here you have cookie cutouts of Darth Vader, Yoda, and R2-D2. They'll all come in handy later. On the back here you have some stuff written out. The Force will be with you as you create irresistible treats with Yoda, Darth Vader, R2-D2 shaped cookie cutters. Look at that. Chocolate Chewies and Jawa Jigglers to Landa Nuts and Mos Eisley Space Torts. It's pretty awesome. Look at that. So there's just an example of some of the wicked cool Star Wars titles. Very creative. Here we have a creation of, I guess, this is a fight between Darth Vader and Luke on top of what seems to me as sugar. So yeah, I think this was released in 2012 and by Chronicle Books and Lucas Books, $22.99 US. I got it for a cool $5 Canadian. So we'll check out the actual book itself. It's not a huge book, but lots of great recipes, about 30 recipes in there. It says, "Go forth, young Jedi. May your Wookiee pies be sweet. May your C-3PO oatmeal crisps be chewy. And may the Force always be with you." Pretty awesome. So yeah, it's a nice book for kids and adults alike. Be aware, cultivate the awareness of a Jedi, never leave the kitchen. So it's kind of, Jedi values and Jedi virtues, applying those in the kitchen, being careful and clean as you cook, not to be a slob. The tools of a Jedi chef. So I guess you can become a Jedi chef. Oh wow, look at that, it's Princess Amidala from the last scene in the Phantom Menace. It's very cool. And there's a trash compactor scene and with the Princess Leia Danish Dews, clone scones, Yoda soda. Very nice. Oh, that's Planet Hoth. And biscuit festos. Wookiee cookies. Hi, Darth Vader.
I'm Darth Vader.
Oh. Well, here's your Death Star popcorn balls.
Is this what you're doing for all this time?
Yes. This is what I'm doing. Here's a list of the all of the recipes. Princess Leia Danish Dews, Toshi Station, Toast, Jar Jar Fig Bars. There's also Admiral. There's Admiral Fig Bars and Jar Jar Fig Bars. No, 3-layer Admiral Akbars. Cool. Well, anyway, this is the Star Wars Cookbook, and yeah, it'll be fun trying out some of these recipes. May the Force be with you.